At QUT, you can gain an IT qualification that not only satisfies your interests and supports your career aspirations, but is also highly relevant and valued by the industry. Learning from experts, gaining hands-on experience, and having opportunities for internships are but a few of the many advantages of studying at QUT. The 3-year full-time QUT Information Technology degree features common units in the first year, providing you the chance to explore the IT majors before you choose your specialization. These common units are designed to provide you with solid grounding in the fundamentals of IT and prepare you for the remainder of your studies. You'll become familiar with software development and network systems with specific expertise in information security, networks and communications, intelligent systems, data-centric computing, or human-computer interaction, to name a few areas. You'll also learn the fundamental principles of computation and to identify and solve system design issues associated with efficiency, usability, and security. And it's accredited by the Australian Computer Society, ACS, which means you will be prepared to build a successful career in IT wherever you may choose to do it. At the completion of your first year, you choose one of 2 majors. Computer science involves using hardware and software to design and build systems to solve complex problems or issues associated with efficiency, usability, and security. It can be applied to mobile computing, artificial intelligence, robotics, and large-scale information management involving information retrieval and web search engines. You will learn software development and network systems with the opportunity to gain specific expertise in areas such as information security, networks and communications, intelligent systems, data-centric computing, or user experience. Through the Information Systems major, you will gain a deeper understanding of the tremendous significance of IT in business today, in-depth skills in business analysis, and learning to evaluate, document, and design information systems using your combined knowledge of technology and business are just some of the many areas you can gain expertise in. You can tailor your learning to the industry areas of most interest to you with a second major or 2 minors. A second major gives you the opportunity to develop significant depth of knowledge and skills in 2 discipline areas. Choose from computational and simulation science or data science. Alternatively, you might expand the breadth of your studies by adding your major with 2 minors. Choose from the IT discipline or broaden your studies by completing minors from across the university. Example minors include business process management, enterprise systems, mobile applications, intelligent systems, networks and security, and user experience. Double your career opportunities by combining another study area with IT. You will graduate with 2 qualifications, furthering your chances in a highly competitive market. At QUT, you can combine IT with business, creative industries, digital media, interaction design, engineering, laws, honors, mathematics, science, and secondary education. Scholarships are not just about financial support. They provide leadership and engagement opportunities, giving you the edge professionally as you kickstart your IT career. QUT is one of only 5 universities nationally funded by the Westpac Foundation to offer 7 Westpac Young Technologist scholarships each year. In addition to leadership development, you will join the Westpac 100, a national network of students, researchers, and professionals who are changing the world through technology. Be ready for a digital future with an IT degree from QUT.